Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I would like to teach how to do the running stitches and the back stitches. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Like I said earlier, I would like to teach you how to do the back stitches and the running stitches. We'll start with the back stitches. When you want to do your back stitches, you need your needle, your thread, and you don't need it to be too long so that you can control it. Because I'm coming to show you something real short, I don't need a long thread to do that. Now I have here 2 pieces of fabric, 3 inches by 6 inches that I'm putting together. So viewers at home, you can also get yourself some pieces. You can cut out 3 inches by 6 inches for this experiment. To start the back stitches, you make a knot on your thread this way, and then you cut out any excess that will be there. Then you pin it out to hold it in place. This fabric is a little tough, so it's not easy to pass the needle through, but we'll try. So here we go. You start by passing the needle through from under your fabric. So if your stitch size will be just about half, that's like 1/8 of an inch, you just start from 1/4 of an inch this way, and then you pull your thread and start like that. So this is how it is. So every stitch you are making there is almost like 1/2 inch. So you go this way, make sure you pick it from where this one ended at. As you can see, it's looking almost like a stitch made by the machine. The back stitch or back stitches are very tough stitches. They don't easily unravel, unlike the stitches made by the machine. They are very tough. And anytime you use it to make a dress, you are very sure it will not unravel in public. But the stitches made by the machine can sometimes fail you, especially if your clothes are very tight. Now I'm done. I would like to stop over here, so I'll just pass my needle to the back, then I pick what I've already stitched and use this thread here, wrap it around the needle and pull it. I'll repeat the same thing again on the next one. Then I just cut it. I'm done with the back stitches, and this is how the back looks like. It goes back and front, so it makes it very, very strong. Now I'm coming to start with the running stitches. It's quite simple. It all depends. You can either pass your needle from under this way after you have made a knot, or you can just pass it through the top. It doesn't really matter. It depends on what you want to use it for. So here we go, and we'll just do almost like a quarter of an inch. If you are not too conversant, you can just pick it one by one. It helps you to hold the fabric down. So, and it's quite fast. We are already done. I'll just finish by passing the needle through the fabric to under the fabric this way, and then I can just knot it. I'm done. I hope you have also tried it at home. It's easy. So this is our running stitches, and this is our back stitches, and this is the back of the back stitches. As you can see, the running stitches is almost the same. It's quite the opposite of the front, is the opposite of the back. So where the stitch is showing here, it doesn't show here. So that is it. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video, and do not forget to like my video if you like what I've taught you, and do not forget to subscribe so that next time I release a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. See you in my next video. Bye.